what is CropBioLife? What does it do? And why should people know about it?
Well, first of all, thank you for having me here. It's great to come and see you guys, what you guys are doing up here in Washington. So in a nutshell, CropBioLife we've taken flavonoids, flavonoids are a part of the plant's phenolic compounds. So every plant has flavonoids. And the phenolic compounds, in very basic terms, in my opinion, are the nervous system of plants, of the way the plant communicates and senses its environment and communicates with its environment. And flavonoids form a significant part of that, those phenolic compounds. And we've managed to take flavonoids from a source and put them in a package that you can actually spray on the leaves of a plant, and the plant will accept those flavonoids. All plants that we've tested on so far, we haven't found anything that's not responsive to them. And those flavonoids trigger responses in the plant in metabolism. And we've done some trials just recently and some scientific research down into the genetics of the plants and watching certain triggers being turned on in metabolism within the plant. And so the flavonoids are triggering very basic functions within the plant that enable it to assimilate nutrition better. And that assimilation and nutrition drives, again, basic functions. The best of them that we've measured is photosynthesis. So we've measured at extreme rates of improved photosynthesis, and that produces extra glucose that the plant can then use to assimilate and create all the other things that the plant needs as far as its biomass. And I guess a really important one in the discoveries of the recent years for us is with all that extra glucose that it's being able to produce, that carbohydrate, it's actually moving huge amounts of carbohydrates down to the roots and then exudating out of the rhizosphere and driving a big increase in the soil biology. And plants nurture and feed soil biology, and in return the biology feeds the roots and feeds the plants nutrition. And as we've discussed in previous podcasts, it's all about the plant's nutritional uptake. And if you can make that easy, because this biology, in healthy soil, there's 7 billion organisms in a teaspoon of soil, and those organisms are there to work with the plant. They're not there for their own use; they're actually for the plant's use. So if you can keep that biology happy, and the plant does that by feeding it carbohydrates, then the biology feeds back nutrition.